Guys, what we have here today is a Motorola Radius GR-1225. It's a VHF repeater removed from commercial service. The PA or the outputs are popped on her, and she's been replaced with a FR5000. So what we're going to do today, as you can see, she is quite dusty. We're going to clean her out, take her fully apart here, and we're going to clean her up. She is quite dusty, to say the least. So I'm going to clean her up here, get all the dust out of her as much as possible, and then we're going to try and repair this VHF repeater. Not sure if it's possible or not, but we're certainly going to try. So if you're interested in tagging along for this one, stay tuned. After 25 years in service, she has built up a fair bit of dust. So yeah, we're going to clean all this out. Even the wires are quite dusty. So make no wonder she failed. She overheated for a start, I'd say. Anyways, keep at her, I suppose. Okay guys, a bit of dust built up on her. So there's the power supply section there now. So I'm going to remove the cover on this and give her a clean out on the inside. As you can see, she's quite dusty. Wig it. Alright, so this is the power supply module for the repeater, and as you can tell, she's switching power supply, and you can also notice some wet spots on the board over here and around here. So I'm willing to bet there's a couple bad capacitors in here. Probably this one leaking, and more or less I'd say that one there is probably leaking too. Now it could be just, oh well, who knows what on the board. May not be capacitors at all, but you can see clearly wet. So something's definitely been leaking in here. And this other than that, resistor there after getting pretty toasty. Anyways, let's get this cleaned up. Alright, this is a little bit better. Get a bit of dust out of her. All I'm using is a little hand brush to sweep the dust out of her. Still got the bottom cabinet here to sweep out. But yep. So yeah, there's definitely a wet spot here. If that's a capacitor, it might be just the glue from that, I don't know, it's hard to tell. I'll say it's a capacitor problem. So the power supply needs a little bit of work. So anyways, I'll put her back together, and then we'll sweep out the bottom of her. And for those of you that's interested in knowing power supply model number, it's a Motorola. It's an HPN 9033A. Output 13.8 volts at 15 amps continuous, 17 amp surge, 12.5 volts DC at 0.5 amp continuous, and 19 volts DC at 0.5 amp continuous. The power supply can run 110 to 120, 220 to 240, 6 amps, 3 amps max. So yeah, it's a interesting little power supply, and it's used to power up this repeater. So yeah, we'll continue to pull her apart. Put the power supply back in there now, and then we'll get the actual repeater removed. Alright boys, the ground has been removed. This is the model number, type acceptance, FET, serial number, and the actual model number is M43GRC90C2AA. It'll give you pretty much all the information you need to know about this particular repeater. So yeah. So I guess I'm going to do with her now. She's got in-mounted transistors by the looks of it. One there anyways. So I'm going to pop the cover off here now and have a little peek inside. See if there's anything, kind of got a bulge going on here. Anyway, let's take the cover off and have a look, shall we? Okay guys, so I got the cover off of her, and as I suspected, she has an issue. Right along back here, put your nose to that and you can certainly smell something burned up back here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So something here in the PA has definitely cooked itself. So I'm gonna pull the back off here now and see what's see what back here could be cooked. Yeah, so yeah, there's no repairing this PA. She is toast. Looks like the transistor here actually overheated, and solder came over, touched onto the other trace, the other tab of the transistor, and the rest is history. She burned herself up. Wow. That there is what you call a failure. Quite violent. Wow. Yeah. There is no repairing this one, folks. She is done. That is nuts. Wicked. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Good reason why that repeater output didn't work anymore. Yep. I was looking online for a replacement of this, and in eBay the replacement PA is like $275, and to buy this PA new, if you can still get it new, at the time was like $475. That is crazy. Wow. What in the world happened to that for that to fail like that? Whew. Kind of makes you think of lightning. Got in and fried her. That's nuts. Holy shit. That's a failure, folks.